Got it? Okay, give me 5. Woo! You can. Want the window down? Let's do it. Do you know what you want to drink?
I want to have the drink like you.
Do you want to get the same one I get?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we'll get a Hawaii 5-0, okay? Let's give that a shot. This is my little boy Oscar, for those of you who didn't catch that from the corn pone episode. So say hi, Oscar. What did you do today?
I did preschool and I go to the park and I had a nap.
I wish I got to have a nap.
Yeah, because I was so tired.
And what did you do at the park?
I went down the slide, went down the slide,
Nice. Oh my heck, there's 2 cars at the Chevron drive-thru.
The Chevron drive-thru.
I like cold beverage, yeah. I like cold beverage, yeah. Who sings the song called Cold Beverage? It's like my theme song. Oh, look who it is. Shamika's ditching us. I am not in favor of said ditching. Yeah. Oh, heck. I'm okay. Did you see the top?
You're no longer Jake Harvey. You're Joe Sherwood.
Okay, see you later. The great Shamika is leaving us. Bummer. I'm sure Megan will find a worthy replacement. It'll be tough, though, because Shamika's awesome. Hello, Ashley.
Hola.
Let's do a 32-ounce Hawaii 5-0, and then a wee one.
Did I do the same as you?
Yeah, you got the same thing as me. Yours is smaller, though, but it's the same thing.
Okay.
Because he weighs less than my left leg. Tum, 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 tum.
Hey, Dad,
What, bud?
I can almost touch your arm with my butt.
Hi! He has a funny beard.
I do have a funny beard and a funny top. Hey, there's Tum, too.
Hi!
Tum, 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 tum.
Does this mean that we're gonna be on Twisted Tarbet?
We'll see. You might be.
I'm gonna be
you
famous?
might be featured on Twisted Tarbet. Whatever. You guys are more famous than I am. You need to check out these guys' channel, Best Spuds.
Bye!
See ya. Thanks. About time.
We were only close for 1 day. Stop coming.
She is the reason why. She's the reason why I had to walk inside and get my own drink.
Oh my god.
I am deeply offended. He's in his own little world. What are you getting? I need to try that one still. Tom, what are you getting? I need to try that one too. So many drinks to try. This is going to be a long, wonderful life. We're all set. See ya. This one's yours, bud. Take that cap off of there. We got the Hawaii 5-0. I forgot to ask what's in this. Blast. The Hawaii 5-0 has the following ingredients in it. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You ought to try it because it's really good. It's kind of like a pina colada. What do you think, dude? Is it good? Yeah, thumbs up? That's tasty. For those of you who are terribly concerned, I got a 32 ounce, which is not my normal size. I usually go 44. But now you're really gonna roll your eyes because I already had a 44 Twisted Tarbet earlier today. And then I came out here and got this because I promised this little dude that I would take him and get him a drink out of the Chevron. And shout out to Atlanta because she went out to the Chevron, got a drink, and brought me back a Twisted Tarbet. I'm always about a free drink. And it's Thirsty Thursday today. For you guys, Thirsty Thursday's tomorrow. For me, it's right now. Oh man, I just got a mouthful of cream. My opinion on the Hawaii 5-0 is that it's pretty good. I suggest it absolutely. I don't think there's been a drink that I haven't suggested yet. I know that's kind of lame and cheesy, but I haven't completely loved everything I've got so far, but this one, I feel like the balance is really good. There was a time where I had a drink, it was just lots and lots of peach, which is one of the episodes. It was still a good drink, but I couldn't taste anything else. This one, you can taste almost everything in there, as far as I know. I suggest the Hawaii 5-0. Do you want to say anything, dude?
Yeah, this kind of tastes like coconut because I got some kind of coconut in there.
Yeah, you did? We've got the 3-year-old critique on the drink. You can trust him. He's pure. Say bye. See ya.